Hi! In this video, I will show you how to loop in Adobe After Effects. First, I will import a media file here. By going to File, Import, then click on File. I will drag the file on my timeline here. And I will adjust it. Click this. Click on the drop-down arrow. Click on Rotation. And then adjust this at the end of your media. Adjust this figure here to 360. And click here and adjust to 5. And it will rotate 360 degrees 5 times. I will copy this layer and paste it here 4 times. And adjust it on the timeline for it to have a continuous rotation effect. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!